Hello everyone, we are glad to introduce our non-invasive BiPAP unit, model name as Maxima. So let's begin with the operational steps. First, to start the unit, user need to first plug in the power supply to the unit. So the unit will get start. Now this is the plug for power adapter and this is given for data output. Here user can attach USB flash drive for data output. Now as this unit is turbine based, this is the air outlet given where patient tubing will get connect. So this is a 1.8 meter patient tubing along with the non-invasive mask. This is a chamber given for humidification. So to open it, user need to press this button and just pull up. So this is a chamber for humidifier. User need to inject distilled water inside it. And before injecting distilled water, please ensure the water level should be below the max line. Now coming toward the main operational window, it shows various options. First is straight, preheat, set system even. To operate the particular options, user need to use this encoder knob to rotate and to select. Now first of all, to start the treatment, user need to take the cursor to the particular option. So the treatment will get start. So in this unit there are various modes available. So these are the modes. First is spontaneous time mode. Next is time mode, pressure control mode, volume assured technology mode, CPAP mode and spontaneous mode. So these are the modes available in this unit. First we will start with the spontaneous mode. To start the particular mode, user need to select this and let's begin. So in spontaneous mode, all the breaths are patient triggered breaths only. So user need to set the pressure levels. So these are the pressures. IPAP, user need to select the pressures. EPAP, rise time. So these are the options given to set the settings. Next is exit, modify. If user need to modify the changes, yes. So the treatment will get start. So these are the monitored parameters for the particular mode. These are the monitored parameters. Now next is ST mode, that is spontaneous time mode. In spontaneous time mode, machine breaths are patient triggered and also machine triggered breaths. Also there are at the backup preset breaths are set already and also TI, so that if patient fails to initiate the breath, machine will provide breath automatically. So that is the spontaneous and time mode. So in this also the way options are given for pressures. IPAP, user can set IPAP, EPAP, breaths per minute, I ratio, rise time, exit. So this is the window for spontaneous time mode and these are the monitored parameters. Next is time mode. In time mode, machine does not depend on patient triggering effort. All the breaths are provided by machine itself. So all the breaths are machine cycled only. So these are the pressures options: EPAP, IPAP, breaths per minute, I ratio, rise time, exit. So this is the operational window for time mode. This is the monitored parameters. Next is pressure control mode. Pressure control mode is the mandatory pressure control mode in which user can set IPAP, maximum and minimum, level of IPAP and EPAP, breaths per minute, I ratio, rise time, exit. So this is the operational window for pressure control mode. Next is volume assure technology mode, in which user can set maximum IPAP and EPAP level, so that according to the preset IPAP and EPAP level, volume will be delivered to the patient. Next is CPAP. In CPAP, user can set CPAP level, pressure level, that's it, and can start the treatment. So this is the operational window for CPAP, and this is the monitored parameters. Now to stop the treatment, user need to press this encoder now for 3 seconds. Treatment will get stopped. Next is preheat. Preheat option is for humidification. On and off option is given. Next is set. In the set, user can set the mode and parameters, time, system, the system output network option is given. So other settings are given. So that's it. This is all about the non-invasive BiPAP model. Thank you.